on and eat. After cooking rice, chicken, and beef for my sister's birthday, my nephew's birthday, and my beloved mom's anniversary, and all those who are celebrating their birthdays. Happy graduation, happy birthday, happy wedding, happy every day. Let's cook. And how do you cook them? Right here in my beautiful mom's delightful food recipes cookbook. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Miss Juanita de Guzman, Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and all my 22 books, yes, 22, including Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSEDMSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com, in ebook, Kindle, paperback format. That means ebook means you could upload my mom's cookbook and all my 22 books in your computer in minutes, or you could have the paperback as well. Let's enjoy. Come on and eat. I'm so excited. Come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. You're gonna love this as I do. Fit for kings and queens like you and me. Let's enjoy this out together. And we're going to have a taste. And let me give you a spoon and the fork. Let's enjoy. Come on and eat. Kain na po tayo in the Tagalog language. And before we do, let's bless our food. Isn't it important? Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence. Accept this food. Make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought forever self-sustained. And so it is done, beloved I am. Let's dig in. Yum, yum. Rice is one of my favorite food as well, and all the Asians. I'm holding the camera, but this at the same time, by the way, as I'm getting my fork, my spoon. We love Asians love food. Excuse me, please. Rice. The Filipinos have always rice in their dish, and let's have the rice. You could have natural coloring using turmeric as well. For you and me and all of us, yummiest. Yum, yum, yum. And let's have the beef. For you and me and all of us. This is beef and chicken, by the way. Crunchy, excuse me please, crunchy and yummy. For you and me and all of us. We got a lot in our mini spoon, because this for you and me and all of us, yum. Super delicious, excuse me please. In the Tagalog language, napakasarap. Philippines cuisine is really super yum. Happy cooking! In the Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Come on and eat, excuse me please. Yummy to the tummy. Happy cooking! Enjoy!